Hey traders, I had a couple people ask me how the breakouts work. So basically you're just breaking two trend lines, one diagonal and one horizontal. Like you can see here, two examples, one in black, one in blue. So this one here in black, you got a strong candle that breaks these two trend lines. So that's a good break to take. So the horizontal line is right here, breaking this patch of candles. And the diagonal is this one here, crossing this point here and this point, and that's a good break. You want to have long liquidity on the left here, like this. Ideally, these green candles would look a little bit longer, like these red ones, and have a little bit less wicks, but worked out great in this case. You want to have some room for the move to run, like here. You want to be careful of these little patches here, because it can bounce back like it did here. And that's it. The other example here you can see with this little arrow comes down, it breaks, but the candle is really tiny. So not a great candle, so you want to wait on those kind of ones, but it does break this point down here and then your diagonal line here in blue. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if you guys are coming from pocket option, but this indicator here can work for pocket option and for Forex. You guys do want to check that out. And it comes with these here, these reversal indicators. It's like a market maker close model, and it comes with some other stuff too. So these work really good, save you guys the hassle of doing all these markings and stuff like that. And you can get it so it's set up for alerts, gets sent right to your phone. So you guys just get the alert on your phone, jump on the computer or on your phone, see if it's a good setup. So it saves you a lot of time. So check that out if you want. I'll leave a link in the description. Um, really appreciate the support as a new trader. Well, not a new trader, but um, yeah. So really appreciate the support, and I can help you guys set all that stuff up too if you guys are interested in checking that out. So yeah, hope that helps, guys. It's pretty simple stuff with the breakouts. So yeah, cheers, guys. Happy trading.